Ayan. So, for today's video, what am I gonna show you guys is the bags naman of the kids. So, lahat ng bags ay na-order sa Shopee. So, first one is yung kay Dylan. Dylan's bag is a small backpack. Since daycare pa lang naman siya, so small bag lang. So, ito ay Paw Patrol, parang nutshell style yata. Ito yata yung tawag ko. Ito yung likod. Yan yung likod. Open natin. So, pag in-open mo siya, ganyan. May isa lang na compartment here. So, I believe, baon niya lang magiging laman dito. So, ito na yung kay Dylan. Walang masyadong bulsa, which is isa lang yung nasa loob. And ito na yun. So, next is yung kay Mavi. Ayan. So, next is Mavi's bag. Ito yun. Actually, meron siyang free na, free, or may kasama siyang lunch bag. Ito yung bag na. So, this is the main packet. This is the main compartment of the bag. Up to 8 notebooks kasama. May lalagyan ng papel, extra bulsa or modules. Tapos, ito. Meron siyang pocket here. Ayan. So, this is Mavi's bag. Ayan. May side pocket, lalagyan ng payong, lalagyan ng tumbler. Ayan. Next is kay Ate Jayden naman. Ayan. So, this is Ate Jayden's bag. Medyo malaki kasi marami-rami siyang gamit. So, may pocket siya dito. May matsa mo, wala na. So, aside from that, may pocket siya dito and dito din. Tapos, meron din siyang katulad ng kay Mavi na katagilid din ng bukas. Ayan. So, may pockets here and there. Ayan, pocket ulit. Tapos, ballpen case. Tapos, ito yung main compartment ng bag. Main compartment. Ayan, ito. Kasha up to 10 notebooks. May lalagyan ulit ng mga pad papers. And another pocket for other things na kakailanganin sa school. And, ayan. Meron siyang secret pocket dito sa likod. Which is hindi na secret kasi sinabi na kasi. So, ito yung bag. Ayan. So, yun lang yung bag ng tatlo kong kids. Lalagay ko sa comment section or sa description yung links. Thank you for watching!